Welcome back to 11's Dirt Life. Today I'm going to do a real quick video for you on a new tool that I just got. This is the BeadBuster. It's made by BeadBuster, made in the USA, which is really cool. This will allow us to break the bead on this tire. I do all my beadlock swaps at home, so typically I'd have to take it to a tire shop, or you can use a high lift, which I think is sketchy, but that definitely works. You can bring it to a tire shop. I usually have a tire shop break this. This way it's kind of saved me one trip. All I have to do is bring it there to get balanced. So this will work on a beadlock wheel or a regular wheel. On the regular wheel, you'd break it on both sides. On the beadlock, you're going to take the beadlock ring off, which I've already done. On the other side of the wheel, we're on the back side of the wheel now. So we're going to get this tool in here. Essentially what we're going to do is get this lined up. It's already lubed up around the tire. We're going to get this nice and tight in here. So we can, let's pull this back a little bit. Here, this is what's cool. I'll just get the impact on here. And then we're going to get this, we want to get the clamp here, or the teeth, into the wheel lip here, so that when we hit this bolt down, it'll push the tire down and it'll break the bead all the way around. So I've only done one so far, so hopefully I can do it relatively smooth for you guys. So we're gonna just want to get a good purchase in there. See if we can get this sucked in real nice. Whoops, let me go the other way here. Okay, so then we want this nice and vertical like this. I've only got one tooth in there, so let's back that out and get that in a little bit nicer. Yeah, like this. There we go. Okay, so we're going to get that nice and vertical, and then we're going to hit this top bolt. Let's crank it down. You can see it starts popping the bead out there. I kind of lost a little bit of the lift there, so I need to get a little bit better inside the bead there. Get that in there like that. Nice and vertical, so we can get it to crank out. Whoops, wrong way. We're just gonna work it around. Work our way around the tire here. Feels nice and flat. There we go. So now we got a good purchase under the lip there. Once we got a little bit of the brake, nice and straight up. See, it's starting to push the tire down, so we're just going to work our way around here. You can see how quickly we're going to get this done. So just kind of move our way around the tire here. Nice and straight up. Working our way around the tire here. And you're going to be able to do all your tires in just a matter of minutes. Cranking around here. See how we have it nice and straight up like that, and then we're just going to crank down on this guy and just keep pushing it around. You can hear the air coming out of the tire, the excess air that didn't get out yet. So we're about there. Okay. It looks like we did it. So we're completely broken. So now that side is broken, what we're going to do is, I'm not going to show this on the video, but I'm going to get this on a bucket. Essentially, I'm going to put the wheel on, let's do it like this. I'm going to put the wheel on top of the bucket on the ground, and I'll probably put like a towel over the bucket so I don't scratch the wheel. So I'll have the wheel, you know, the side that faces out, the good side of the wheel, on the top of the bucket. I'm going to stand on this. Pretty much when I put the tire on the bucket, the tire is going to suck down to that inner lip of the wheel. I'm going to stand on this and kind of walk, you know, foot to toe, basically like this, on the tire, and use maybe a tire iron or something, just pry it around a couple times. Like halfway around, the whole thing should just pop right off. So I can have this whole tire dismounted in, you know, 10 minutes or less, depending on how long it takes you to get all the beadlock rings off and do everything and what kind of pace you want to work at it. So again, that was only the second time I've used that tool. I've done one wheel before, so it'll obviously get a lot smoother once I get my process going and figure out how I want to use it. But I just thought I would share this with everybody. It's a really cool tool. This one is the HD, the higher end one. They have lower models as well, so highly recommend it. Check it out if you haven't already. Thanks for tuning in.